Hey guys, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on how to handle toxic people. This has been like a hugely asked question because people are saying that they have toxic people, they have negative people all around them, and some are like very closely related to them. Maybe it can be even your story. So, how to deal with those toxic relationships just in case you have a few bunch of them around you. Okay, so we are going to see that in this video. So, make sure that you watch this entire video till the end so that you get to know the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. Let me tell you something. This is not about toxic people. Everybody in this world, they have 24 hours. Everybody has 24 hours so that they can do something on the path of their purpose, so that you can walk on the path of your purpose. You can make some change in this world. And then it is your choice whether what you would like to do with those 24 hours. Also, one more thing is, when your day begins, it is very crucial that when your day begins, you are in a very positive mindset. So the first 1 hour, the first 1 to 2 hours, you need to spend very positively. So just in case if you have a whole bunch of negative people around, maybe even at your office, at your social gathering place, let them be where they are. But first 1 hour, first 1 to 2 hours in the morning, avoid all of them. Avoid chatting with all of them. Avoid looking at what they are posting. Just avoid everything. Because the first 1 hour, whatever you take inside your mind, that is how your entire day is going to become. So it's better that you start your day with good people only. Also, let me tell you one more thing, that if you have negative people around you, see, negative people, what they do is they criticize, they have hatred, they have jealousy, envy, all of that, and they actually carry very toxic and draining energy. And if you have a whole bunch of them around you where it's difficult to be without them, then you definitely have chosen some tough lessons in your life. And when it comes to productivity is where you are doing something such that work getting done, the work that you're getting done, it's like perfect, it's par excellence. But if you have negative people around you who keep on poking at you, who keep on finding faults with you, they say that you're not a good person, they try to find out some negative qualities in you, they try to drain you, they try to demotivate you. So when you have people who are constantly doing this to you, there are chances, not exactly chances, there are huge possibilities that your productivity level will drop. How good you can perform, that's going to decrease. So because of all of this, it's very important that you figure out what kind of negative people are there around you. Once you know what kind of people they are, then it will be easy for you to decide what to do with them, how to deal with them. So there are two types of negative people. One is a negative person who is struck by negative situations. They have a lot of problems in their life, and they are having a lot of challenges because of which, and those challenges are not ending, they are like lasting for years and years, which is why these people, they start becoming negative. They stop losing faith in life, they don't believe in anything, they always say the negative words. So this is how they have become negative. And then there are some other kind of people. Usually they may or may not have that many problems, but They actually have made themselves so negative. Maybe they have not intentionally made their entire life negative, but whenever they come to you, they are very determined that they have to say certain negative stuff when they are around you. And yeah, see, let me tell you, if a negative person is pouring on negativity, people who have that kind of energy, only they can give it to you. A person who does not have negativity cannot give it to you. If I have a bag full of apples, only then I can share those apples with others. If I don't have any apples, I cannot give it to others. It works as simple as that. So, the negative people, the type 1 negative people who generally are struck by challenges in their life, they will be like generally negative. They will be negative with everyone, but also on the inside, they are waiting for some positive insight, for some solutions that they can work on their life to bring in positivity. So they may be negative, they may talk negative with everyone, they may share their problems, they may whine over their problems with like anybody, but on the inside they have this little hope that maybe somebody can help after listening to their problems. And on the other hand, the type 2 negative people, they intentionally come to your life and intentionally try to bring in negative stuff in your life. And they have chosen to be that way. They have chosen to be that negative only with you. They may be very positive, very good people, a very good human being with some other crowd. Maybe with their family. They are like very, very beautiful people. But when they are with you, they have to suck, they have to become gross, they have to be pathetic. Yeah, there are people like this. You may already know this. So, as I said, the type 1 person, type 1 type of negative person, this kind of person, once you talk with them, once you openly have a conversation that they should not be this negative, you tell them that they can think positive, they can talk positive so that they can attract positivity in their life. If you start talking like this with these kind of people, they will actually accept that concept and they will start working on it. And if they don't believe you, they will try and research somewhere. But the type 2 negative people, they don't want to learn anything from you, because their one goal is to ruin your life. So they are not interested in any kind of positivity. If you try to teach them something on positivity, they will screw your teaching, they will screw even your concept of it. They will try to devastate you, that next time you will not be motivated even to tell them even that much. The first type 1 negative people is you can sympathize with them, because yes, somewhere they are hurt, and it's not wrong that you be compassionate, you be kind to others. There is nothing wrong in that. And the type 2 people, no matter whatever you do, they are not going to improve themselves, they are not going to be positive around you. It is better that you chuck them out of your life, you just part ways with them, because they are never going to improve. And if they have some grudges against you, sometimes this happens that in the family of very, very far away relatives, some family member, the earlier ancestors, they had done something to the other family member, and their ancestors, they had to suffer for like a lot of time. So they try to come and take a revenge based on something like that, and it's not your fault altogether. Then why do you have to suffer? So try to chuck these people out, because no matter how much revenge they take, no matter how much forgiveness you ask, they will never improve themselves. So this is what I had to say about negative people. Now it is your call. I cannot force you to take any kind of decision. You have to make your own decision. Okay, so this is what I had to say for this topic. how to deal with negative people. I hope that, I don't know, how did you like this video? Let me know in the comments how did you like this video. If you have liked this video, hit the like button and share this video with as many people who have negative people around them and they just don't know how to handle them. Okay, we'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.